When you bite into a steak or fasten a leather belt, do you ever wonder how that animal got to you? Behind the scenes, a global logistics network moves over 1.5 billion animals every year. That's right, billion with a B. Cattle, sheep, goats, pigs, an endless parade of livestock on the move. This industry generates nearly $22 billion in trade annually, powered by a hidden highway of trucks, ships, and planes. Unlike shipping boxes, moving animals means dealing with living, breathing cargo that needs food, water, and constant care. Today, high-tech systems and data management guide this flow of life, from the plains of Australia to the ranches of Texas. It's not just about moving animals, it's about feeding nations and fueling economies. For Australia, live sheep and cattle exports are a cornerstone. For the US, beef exports mean billions. The supply chain is built on custom trucks, specialized ports, and colossal ships carrying tens of thousands of animals. But with this scale comes scrutiny. Animal welfare is a huge concern. The challenge balancing economic necessity with the ethical obligation to treat animals humanely. This pressure has driven innovation, new methods and tech to reduce stress and improve conditions. It's a constant tug-of-war between efficiency and ethics. The people behind this industry rarely get the spotlight, but their work keeps the world fed. The story of livestock transport is one of progress, controversy, and constant change. It's a dirty job, but it's a vital part of our global economy. Welcome to the world of massive livestock transport. In Australia, sheep are big business. Over 2.8 million shipped for live export in 2025 alone. It all starts on sprawling farms where automated weighing systems process sheep at lightning speed. Each sheep averages 103 pounds, enough to feed a family for weeks. Once sorted, they're loaded onto high-tech trucks with dual ventilation and automatic water tanks. The journey ends at Fremantle Port, the world's largest live sheep export hub. Here, sheep board massive vessels like the MV Ocean Shearer, a floating farm for 75,000 animals. The ship uses 600,000 liters of water daily, and the crew checks on the flock every 2 hours. Despite these efforts, animal welfare concerns persist. Heat stress and dehydration are real risks. Public pressure has led the Australian government to announce a phase-out of live sheep exports by sea by 2028. This decision marks a major shift, forcing the industry to rethink how it gets its product to the world. The future may mean more meat exports and less live transport. It's a turning point for an industry built on tradition and innovation. The logistics are staggering, but the stakes, both economic and ethical, are even higher. Australia's sheep industry is at a crossroads. Change is coming, ready or not. In the US, the cattle industry is massive, shipping around 2 million head overseas each year. Modern ranches blend cowboy grit with technology. Drones, helicopters, and RFID chips track every cow's health and history. Cattle haulers are engineered for comfort, with non-slip floors and cooling systems to keep animals safe on long journeys. Major export hubs like the Port of Houston process thousands of cattle daily, sending them to booming Asian markets. A single ship can carry over 10,000 cattle across the Pacific. The U.S. beef industry generates over $10 billion in export value annually. Every step from ranch to table is carefully planned and executed, but not every country moves cattle the same way. India, for example, raises cattle mainly for milk, not meat. The reasons for moving animals are deeply rooted in culture and economics. Technology standardizes the process, but local traditions shape the journey. The logistics are complex, but the demand for American beef keeps the wheels turning. It's a long way from a Texas ranch to a Tokyo dinner table. The story of U.S. beef is one of scale, innovation, and global appetite. The American bison story is one of recovery. Once nearly extinct, now over 500,000 roam North America. Conservation and a growing meat market have turned bison into a sustainable success. Raising bison is different. Drones monitor herds and squeeze chutes safely restrain these powerful animals. Bison meat is prized for its health benefits. Less fat, more iron than beef. Auctions see top breeding stock fetch tens of thousands of dollars. Processing is hands-on, and transport requires heavy-duty trailers and skilled handlers. The goal: keep animals calm and secure from ranch to facility. Demand for bison meat has created a valuable niche industry. Commerce and conservation work hand in hand, growing a population once on the brink. The bison's journey is a testament to what's possible when economics and ecology align. Sometimes a dirty job can help save a species. In Australia, kangaroo harvesting is a regulated industry balancing population control and resource use. Meat is processed in modern, automated facilities, lean, gamey, and vacuum-sealed for freshness, but the real luxury is in the hide. Kangaroo leather is prized by top fashion brands for its strength and lightness. Transforming raw hide into high-end leather is a multi-stage process, blending chemistry and craftsmanship. Every hide is inspected for quality before becoming shoes, belts, or wallets. The industry uses every part of the animal, from meat to skin. It's a case study in full resource utilization, connecting the outback to global markets. The kangaroo industry is complex, sometimes controversial, but undeniably innovative. From bush to boutique, it's a long hop. Livestock transport isn't just about cattle and sheep. Camels, goats, and ducks are big business too. Camels weighing over 700 kg require hydraulic cranes for safe transport. Their global market is worth nearly $10 billion. Goats, with a population over 1 billion, are vital for meat and milk worldwide. Trucks carry up to 250 at a time, with strict welfare rules. Ducks are moved in the millions, especially in China, the world's top producer. Special trucks can carry thousands of ducks in stacked crates, feeding millions across Asia. Each species presents unique transport challenges. Equipment, handling, and regulations all differ. The people behind these moves are part vet, part engineer, part logistician. It's a logistical puzzle, solved daily on a global scale. Moving this menagerie safely and efficiently is a feat of ingenuity. Exotic livestock. Think crocodiles and salmon. Crocodile farming is a billion-dollar industry, prized not for meat, but for hides that can fetch $40,000 each. Transporting these predators means trucks equipped for safety, jaws taped, and handlers on high alert. The real value is in flawless leather for luxury goods. Salmon, meanwhile, are moved by the millions using high-tech solutions like the whoosh fish tube, gently sliding fish through oxygen-enriched tubes. This system moves up to 40,000 salmon per hour, reducing stress and injury. Technology is revolutionizing animal transport, even underwater. From crocodile farms to fish pens, the industry adapts to every challenge. Whether scales or fins, the journey is all about precision and care. The world's appetite for luxury and protein keeps these supply chains moving. Technology drives the livestock industry, boosting efficiency and, often, animal welfare. Machines like the chicken cat gently collect thousands of birds per hour, reducing stress for animals and workers. Automated shearing and virtual fencing, using GPS collars, are transforming how herds are managed. But efficiency brings challenges. Crowded ships, long journeys, and heat stress remain major welfare concerns. Advanced ventilation and watering systems help, but can't eliminate all risks. Public pressure and regulation are pushing for higher welfare standards. Australia's phase-out of live sheep exports is a sign of changing times. The industry must constantly adapt, balancing speed with humane treatment. Progress is real, but the job isn't finished. The future of livestock transport is all about smarter tech and higher standards. Real-time biometric tracking, AI-controlled environments, and autonomous monitoring could soon be the norm. A shift toward meat-only exports may reduce welfare issues but will require new infrastructure and economic adjustments. Regulation and consumer demand for transparency will shape the industry. Companies that prioritize humane, sustainable practices will lead the way. The challenge: feed a growing world, sustain rural economies, and treat animals ethically. The dirty jobs won't disappear, but how they're done will keep evolving. The rules of the road are being rewritten, one shipment at a time.